Considering how often this topic comes up and the ongoing messages I receive about it, it seems like a good time to start a discussion. Let me share some insights from my experience of purchasing a catering trailer from Alibaba. Of course, your experience might differ. The quality may not match that of your home country, and yes, there are risks involved. Here's what I ordered. A 6-meter-long trailer with double axles, 4 underbench fridges, 2 underbench freezers, 3 stand-up drinks fridges, only 1 installed in the trailer, the others for use at home, 1 dishwasher, 1 double sink, 1 extractor fan, 2 A2 bay benchtop deep fryers, 1 medium gas grill about 75 cm wide, 4 hob full gas oven, all stainless steel, full custom wrap, I provided the image, 7 kV petrol generator. In my country, the estimated cost for such a truck was around 40 to 50K. For clarity, I'll price everything in US dollars, as most inquiries I receive are from the USA. We contacted several suppliers on Alibaba, and the quotes ranged from 10K to 16K. We settled on one around 14K with positive reviews. The design process. They begin by asking for your exact requirements for the trailer. Be extremely precise. I cannot stress this enough, as this is where I made mistakes. When specifying appliances, ensure they provide links and have an electrician gas fitter confirm their suitability for your country. Do this for every detail. Outlets, lights, fuse box, and even inquire about the internal wiring they use. In my case, they used inappropriate wiring grades in some areas, which caused issues. Expect a lot of back and forth during this phase. Don't get frustrated, thoroughness is key. Request item links, photos, and ensure they address the gas, electrical, roadworthiness requirements for your country. This diligence will enhance the effectiveness of Alibaba's insurance coverage. I'd advise taking a few weeks to get this stage right. Rushing may lead to mistakes, as I discovered. The construction of my trailer took about a month. They sent progress pictures as it was being built, which was reassuring. Shipping. I recommend engaging a reputable freight forwarder, perhaps even before starting the process, to handle shipping logistics. It's worth the investment. Shipping from China to NZ took approximately a month in my case. Mistakes I made. I failed to thoroughly check the appliances. The benchtop gas fryers couldn't be used in my country inside a trailer, so I couldn't get them approved. Fortunately, I managed to sell them at a profit. The dishwasher turned out to be too small to be useful, a regrettable addition. The wiring was subpar. As mentioned earlier, they used whatever was available instead of opting for the appropriate materials. I had to spend quite a bit to rectify it for NZ standards. The trailer required some brake work to comply with NZ regulations. In total, the modifications necessary to meet NZ standards cost me about $1,300. However, due to insufficient specificity in my initial order, Alibaba's insurance only covered about $1,000. So, I incurred a $300 loss, which wasn't significant considering the profit from selling the deep fryers. Now, a few years later, the trailer is still functioning well. All appliances are operational. Some plastic panels on the fridge and a light switch broke easily, but I replaced them. It remains one of the most attractive trailers at any event I attend. I use it for private wedding catering, markets, festivals, concerts, basically any occasion. I don't anticipate this trailer lasting indefinitely, and indeed, I plan to sell it next year. I've been offered $42K, which is a decent return considering the initial investment of about $16K and several years of use. Alibaba can be a viable option for acquiring a decent trailer at a reasonable price. While it can be daunting, Alibaba's insurance provides some reassurance. You can secure a great deal, albeit with slightly lower quality. With proper maintenance, your equipment should serve you well. Best of luck!